All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And Texas 2K is here. We're gonna be getting my ProCharged Shelby GT350 ready to go down to Dallas for some racing, man. We have to fill up the car with the 85, fill up 2 extra VP racing jugs with E85, get the car detailed, and potentially do an oil change as well. Now, I don't actually have as many miles on the car as I thought I did, so if the oil change does not happen today, it's not that big of a deal. I'm definitely gonna do that when I go down Friday and Saturday on more boost, if I need to go down on more boost, but I need to get everything done right now because it is almost noon where I'm at, and I have some things I need to get done today before I actually leave, and I do not wanna be wasting any time at gas stations. I wanna just leave straight from the house to Dallas. This is gonna be a little bit of a drive, not too crazy. So if you guys are going to Texas 2K, let me know down in the comment section. If you are driving tonight, if you're already there, or if you're driving later this week, hopefully that drive went well. And if you haven't left yet, drive safe. And if you guys are excited for the content, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and let's get on the way. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was actually trying to pull out the passenger seat, but these T45 bolts, y'all, I'm not the strongest person, but these bolts, I don't think they've ever been actually cracked free, and they're on there. Like, the jaws of life could not get this out of here. So we're gonna go down with the seat in the car for today. I gotta go ahead and fill up these 2 VP racing jugs with E85. This is gonna be 11 gallons of gas. Gonna fill the car up right now, and then we'll be heading out. So that's the plan. Car is absolutely filled. But what I'm gonna do before I actually leave right now is, I believe I have 1,800 miles on this oil change interval. What I'm gonna do right now is actually check the oil to see exactly where we're at. This is very important. If I need to top it off a little bit, potentially, hopefully not. We'll see. So we're at actually 1,800 and pretty much 30. So, yep. We should be, like, honestly, after tomorrow, we should be at like 2,500, which is good because I like to change my oil around 2,000, 2,500 miles. So if that's where we're at when I do get back home, that's perfect. We are at 58 to E, so it's gonna take a little bit to actually fill up. But yeah, that's probably what's gonna have to happen before, well, probably it is what's gonna happen before I go down on Friday and get this car level. I'm gonna check the oil right now. So if you have a Shelby GT350, you know, any gen, honestly, gen 1, gen 2, I'm gonna show you guys how to check to see if you're good to go. I think last time I checked it, like, the oil was right above, like, the middle, which I did check it at, like, I believe 1,600 miles. So if it is right there, because I actually did do some hits, I actually have not checked it since then, so this will be very, very important. I need to go ahead and clean my garage out. This will be very important to see. All right, let me go ahead and check this oil real quick, y'all.
A few moments later.
All right, so I just went ahead and took the dipstick out, wiped it off. We're gonna see exactly where the oil is at. If I need to go ahead and top it off a little bit, we'll see. Alrighty, y'all, see where we're at. This is 1,800 miles, quite a few hits too. So it looks like we are, I don't know if y'all can see this. All right, so I don't know how well that actually showed on camera. It's kind of hard to see oil on a dipstick through a camera, but we are just under like the full mark, right above the halfway mark on the dipstick. So that's exactly where it's been like since I actually bought the car and put 1,800 miles per oil change interval. So I'm not gonna go ahead and top it off, but what I am gonna do is go down with 4 extra quarts in the trunk just in case if I need to top off, because it's gonna be like a 3-hour drive. So I'm gonna do the 3-hour drive, park the car for like 25-30 minutes, then check the oil, see where it's at. If I need to top it off, I'll top it off, but I think we'll be good to go. I think we'll be good to go. Now again, if I can get the oil change done today, I'm gonna get it done today, but if not, because I still have a lot of things to do today before I actually go down to Dallas. We ain't taking no days off, y'all, like for real. Ain't taking no days off of work, but try to get that done. But right now, I definitely need to go ahead and fill the car up on E85 and fill up the extra 2 jugs so we could just go straight there and not waste any time. Wouldn't be a Shelby GT350 if you're not going down with extra oil, paper towel, I need to get another roll, and a funnel. You know, look, you gotta be prepared, y'all. I'm literally going down with 4 extra quarts, so extra weight. Full weight and some. Nah, I'm just playing, but yeah, let's get on the way. All right, let's go ahead and get this little cold start. It's been actually 2 days, I think. Ladies and gentlemen, we are headed to the gas station. It is a beautiful day outside. It's like 73, sunny, not a cloud in sight, for real. It is nice. Supposed to be like this the whole week, which is amazing. Just went up because notoriously, this is from what I've noticed, the past 2 years, like E85 has always miraculously gone up by like 30 cents around, you know, the Texas 2K time. You cannot tell me that's not a coincidence. Like it was like $3 last year, I believe. So we're gonna see where it's at. I'm gonna keep track because technically it doesn't necessarily start. Oh, somebody's going crazy. Technically, it doesn't start until like tomorrow, but I'm curious if they are going ahead and gonna increase the price. I bet you by Friday, E85 gonna be $3, which is gonna be like insane. That'd be like damn near 50%, not 50%, 50-cent increase, which is crazy. Absolutely crazy. But hopefully not. Hopefully not. That's why I'm filling up right now. Because full tank of gas, it'll get me, I think it's like 150 miles. I'm gonna have to go ahead and put gas in it. I know, like before I get to where I need to get. I believe. but we'll see. But that's why we bring jugs. I have a third jug too, but I don't think I'm gonna need a third jug. I think a full tank and 11 extra gallons is gonna be perfect, because I don't mind having to get gas on the way back, obviously, but I'm not trying to have to get gas on the way there. Clear from all like the E85 stations where things are active. And I haven't seen that many cops in this area, which is kind of surprising, because usually around this time, you know, it's pretty hot, because obviously Texas 2K week. Last year it was real hot around this time, like you couldn't even breathe. It was bad. I didn't even go down to Dallas last year, and it was bad. But I'm curious what's gonna go down. But I guarantee you, what the hell are you doing up here, brother? I guarantee you, if I was to probably go down on the toll road, kind of headed more north, I bet you'd probably start to get sketch. I bet you the undercovers, because I haven't been seeing the Camaro cops, because they were everywhere last year. If y'all live in my area last year, y'all know, man, those Camaro cops were everywhere. You literally could not breathe. Like, it was borderline harassment. Like, I was that black 2-valve, bro. I just literally just driving to the store to get groceries, bro. Pop a U-turn on me, go to the gas station, follow me to the gas station. Like, it was really bad. Like, really bad. All right. Woo. $238. Going crazy. I wonder how much it's gonna cost to fill up the car as well as 2 extra jugs. I'm really curious to see how much it's gonna cost.
1 eternity later.
Alright, so the car is filled up. 28. Woo! Hold on, y'all. Alright, so it actually wasn't that bad at all. It was like $50-something to go ahead and fill up the car, as well as the 2 extra E85 jugs. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to the house, got some things I need to do, and we'll get the car detailed hopefully, as well as get the oil change hopefully. But if not, it's all good. We're going down to the race. We ain't really going down there for the car show, at least today, so that can all get done later in the week when there's more, I guess, like activities to do. But yeah, catch y'all in a little bit. All right, back at the casa. Man, this car is dirty, but we are loaded up. I gotta load up one more thing in here, but got 85 jugs, full tank of gas, and get the car detailed. Hopefully get the oil change done today, but if not a huge deal. We'll get that done Thursday, and then more boost. And yeah, so if you guys are driving down to Texas 2K today or tomorrow, whenever you're seeing this video, if you're going down, drive safe, drive smart, and I'll catch y'all in Mexico, y'all. Deuces.